Hi everybody, welcome to Daily Inspirations. I am Michelle Dawn. Today is VillabeauTIFFul kit unboxing day. Woo-hoo. I've already done the cutting. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, these are cool. I love these sticky note card things. There we go. Look how fun. And these can be used as tabs or sticky notes. They are vellum. Peel one off here for you. Trying to make sure I only get one. See? You can see through it because it's vellum. Oops, wrong way. All right, what else do we have in here? I wonder why that was not in the envelope. That's funny. My package was ripped, but it was also re-taped back together, so I'm not sure. The envelope is really pretty. Let's put this behind it so you can see all the different women. So beautiful. What is this? Okay, I know you guys want to see the pens. So without further ado, there are two in this kit, which is really exciting. Again, with my lighting. Oh, okay, let's get them out. This one's really pretty. They're both really pretty. I wonder what they will be called since they're usually the name of the kit. And there are two, so I wonder. This is like a, I want to say pink with a purplish tone, like a, what is the word I'm looking for? Maybe like a hint of lavender. And it is shimmery. There you go. It's really pretty. The stones, gems, crystals, whatever. And that's not a scratch, that's a little packaging. So pretty. Oh my gosh, so lovely. And the other one, so Grl Power 1 and Grl Power 2, maybe? Oh, look at those fun colors. It kind of reminds me of candy. And it is silver, metal. Get really close to those crystals so you can see the different colors. Ooh, so nice. And of course, refills. I really am interested in what this is, so I'm going to open it. It feels like nylon. I don't want to break it, but I'm assuming this is what you do. Like flip this over. I'm so confused right now. What is happening? Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, it's a bag. It's a travel tote. And you can fold it up and put it back in its pocket, or you can just use this as a pocket, which I really like. So you can keep, you know, the little things in the pocket and put your shopping in the tote. Isn't that nice? It's a really nice, sturdy one too. It's not flimsy. Lovely. Okay. Well, I don't do the shopping because I can't really leave the house. I can't go out in public. But I'm sure my husband will have a really good time carrying this to the grocery store. I could just keep my planner supplies in it, even though I don't like really carry them anywhere. That's really cute. Ooh, this is cute. This is really pretty. I like this. This is a charm. Oh, okay. So the star has got like foiling in it. That's so cute. And then a couple of, well, a half circle and a half oval. I think that's really neat. And it's got the, you know, lobster claw clasp. So you can put it on your planner. I think I might switch out for March. That one was really, this one here, that was from maybe the Royalty Pretty Pack. I'm not sure. But this one's really classy and elegant, and this one's more fun and cute. So I think maybe I'll do fun and cute for March. Next is a notebook or pad. Let's see. Notepad, it says, you know, the days of the week, first initial here. So you could circle, put the date here, and have a couple of categories. This is neat. This could be like a little daily planning page that you can add. Let's see what this one is. This feels like a, oh, it's two. It's two notebooks of some kind. Cute. This is a really soft cream off-white, maybe? With the leopard or cheetah, I never know which one's which. Oh, and this one's graph paper. Nice. And this one is dot grid. And it's the same color background. And it has the shapes, colorful shapes. Beautiful. Okay, sticker book is last, so we'll do the washi next. We have two. Let's do the small one first. Here we go. And we'll put this on here. Decorate a little bit. Not straight or anything, but fun. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so that's that washi. It's got silver foil and the animal print, cheetah or leopard. Like I said, can never remember which one's which. It has all those colors. What is the name for the color? They're not bright, they're not pastel. They're fun. I don't know how else to describe them. Oh, here, let's do this too so you can see how this might work. You can do tabs to separate your notebook categories, or flag a page that you want to have easy access to wherever it is in your planner. Oops, like that. Cool, right? Back to washi. So that was the first, that's the thin, skinny washi. And then here's the bigger one. but I think this might be 15 millimeter if I'm remembering correctly. And I think the other one is like something like 6 or, I don't know, maybe a little bigger than that. Ooh, this one's fun. This one's so much fun. Okay, I'm getting like middle school vibes. Here, we'll just do that. Ah, seriously, I'm getting kind of nostalgia vibes from, where did I put that? There it is. This is so much fun. And again, silver foil. And the fun shapes with the pretty colors. That's what I'll call them, pretty. They're pretty colors. All right, sticker book. Is everybody ready? Dun, dun, dun. All right, February 2022, Grl Power. Girl, you are awesome. Those fun shapes that are on the washi. I am a strong woman. The future is female. Grl Power. Silver foil on these. Girl, you can. There's the smaller shapes. Empowered women, empower women. Yay. All right, let's see the next page. Fun. If you can see the half circles, these have silver foil. These are colorful. And the icons have the silver foil. Got some boxes. Today's focus, get it done. Again, silver foil. This one says busy day. How fun are these? Seriously, getting like, I don't know, just fun vibes. Not cute or beautiful or classy. It's like super fun. Oh, this one has a cute little daisy. First, I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to tell you that at first I didn't see the other finger for the peace sign, and I totally thought that was something else. Fun little lightning bolt here, silver foil, pretty colors. Silver foil on our, I can't remember what these are called, headers or something like that. Down here we have the couple of long boxes we usually get, and these foil header ones. I like these on the, here, I'll show you. On this side of the VB planner. I like to put those there. I think that looks really cute and nice. I've just destroyed my little pile here. All right, anyway, back to the headers. Then we have the date covers, or I don't know if that's what you call them, days of the week covers. The little checklists, which are always so cute. These fun arrow flags. These are strips. There are 4. These here. I'll pull one up so you can see how thick they are. Try not to touch the adhesive. See that? There are 4 of them. They're not right next to each other. There's space in between. And then up here we have 2 full box, right? That's what you call those, full box stickers. They both have the days of the week. And then these I like to, these bigger, man, double box stickers. I think that's what those are called. This one has silver foil shapes on it. So pretty. Make it happen today. These are hexagons down here. The first time that I saw this in a book, I thought this was one big sticker, but it's not. They're each individual stickers, again with the silver foiling, the little flowers and fun things. This one says, know your power. A little crystal ball and all these flag. I need to get up on the lingo here, I guess. And these are the shapes. I'm pretty sure you guys can see these. But they're the same shapes as these down here. They're just solid color. And then these are the bars. She being Tiffany, has shown us that you can use these to like highlight if you want. See, you can see that it's transparent. And they are on clear sticker paper. And the deco, my favorite part. There's the silver pen, this one here, with all the fun colors in it. There you go. And of course the silver foil. Oh, look at the jacket. Yeah, I'm definitely having some middle school vibes, which just probably proves how old I am, but women support women, love yourself, girl power. Just love these. These are going to be fun. 2 pages of deco, and these are the quotes. Oh, I'm so glad that VillabeauTIFFul is doing this quote page now. It makes me so happy. I love a good quote on my planner pages. I am beautiful. Every day is Women's Day. You are enough. 1 in a million. Have courage and be kind. Dream big. Positive vibes. Nope, that says good vibes. I don't know where the positive came from. My brain, like I said before, just likes to throw words out there that I am not intending to use. Don't give up. Girl power. Always choose happiness. I can and I will. That is one of my favorite mantras, I guess. I am a woman. What's your superpower? Take the risk. Believe in yourself. Don't lose your fire and trust your gut. And that's the last page of the sticker book. So that's it for Grl Power, February 2022. And let's just look at these pens one more time. Oh, I lost the little notepad and the fun tote. Let's look at these one more time. I'm so excited. The neurological stuff is still really getting to me, but that was a really fun unboxing. I really enjoyed all of these colors. Blue and green are my top 2 favorite colors. Purple is a close third, and this is just making my heart so happy. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing of February's VillabeauTIFFul kit, Grl Power. As always, stay inspired. Thank you for watching.